I started praying and trusting God for a second child at the beginning of last year. I waited almost the entire year and saw no sign of pregnancy. In the last quarter of that year, I attended the quarterly vigil tagged Night of Increase, and Pastor Godman said he had asked God for a gift to mark the 10 years anniversary. The gift was 100 babies to the congregation. I screamed and praised, knowing that God will answer me. That same year, it seemed I was having biological signs of pregnancy, but after a blood test and scan, I wasn't pregnant. I went further to do medical checks to know if everything was okay, and I was told I had ovarian cysts. In response, I intensified my commitment to the morning prayers. By the end of that year, Pastor Godman gave a prophetic declaration during the morning prayers that wombs are opening for conception, and I held on knowing I was the one. For every time I felt weighed down this year, I remembered those words and I will go back to replay the declaration. To God be the glory. Weeks after the January fast, I felt a nudge in my spirit to go for a pregnancy test, and it was positive. I thank God. I thank Him for a miracle of conception. And come October, which is also the TEC anniversary month, our baby will be here. Praise the Lord.